Hello there, my name is Makhors and welcome to Basic Eyes Animation tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to stop eyes to these two models behind me. I assume you already watched BBS Academy series, so you should know the basics. First, download the Eyes rig from Google Drive, link is in the description. Unzip it and place it somewhere in the models folder. You can find the models folder by opening the dashboard, pressing F6, then clicking open the folder and simply unzip the file there. Then you would have here, once it's completed loading, the eyes models. So here we have 2x2 with different lots of poses and also 1x1, which also has a lot of different poses. Let's start with Drake's skin. So Drake has 2x1 eyes, so we would use the 1 pixel height eyes. So first we need Drake's skin. Let's open the folder where it is and edit it in your image editor. Then we would also need to open the skin, for example the Steve one over here. This is the one that came with the eyes rig. So we need to color it the same way as Drake's skin. So in order to do that, we need to take pixels from here. So let's start with the people itself. So this is the color I need for the people. So I'm just gonna replace it over here. Then for the white stuff, I'm gonna take this pixel and I'm gonna color just this part. And I don't need this part because it's not part of the pixel. Then for the eyebrows, we have two colors, the dark one and the light one. I'm going to go back and I would use the same basically. Here is the light one and this is the dark one. Yes, okay, and then here we have eyelids. Top eyelids at the left, top eyelid on the right top eyelid, and the bottom eyelids. So with Drake's skin, it appears that here the colors are basically the same. So I just drop this color and basically color the whole thing in the same color. Alright, and these are the walls of the eye rig that allows you to patch the eye holes. So in my case, since Drake's basically the eyes, the pixels surrounding the eye are the same, I can just use the same color and just color it the same way. Your skin might be different, but you'd have to experiment with the way pixels are located on the rig, so don't be afraid to open the BB model file and see where exactly the pixels are. And maybe it's even better to edit the pixels in there. But I'm here using this, what's called, the in-game. Okay, so I'm gonna export it as Drake. Right, we have it here. And then let's add the eyes rig. Add the body part, pick head, pick form, and then add the one pixel tall eyes rig. Then pick the texture, Drake. As you can see, the eyebrow fits the color perfectly. Now all we need to do is to basically make a hole for the eye. You can do it either in the pixel editor or you can do it over here. Just simply remove the eye, save it as Drake and E, and pick it. Now we have Drake with eyes and we can see different poses it can make. The actor. It appears that we also have the eyebrows in the skin, so let's edit that out too. So all you have to do is probably take with R, take and remove the pixels. And let's save it again. And now it's pretty good in my opinion. So yeah. Alright, let's do the same thing with Daphne. So edit the model, then pick texture, open the folder and open the file. Then we need to do the same thing with the eyes, the one that is 2 pixels tall. So here I going to use Alex, and let's start editing. And like this. Alright, so we need fallen pixels. So for the eyebrow here, for the eyes, the white part, and here for the eyelids. So I think I can start with the pupil. So what I'm gonna take, and I need the other color as well. Alright, so I have 2 tones. First, I think I need to go and create a 12 pixel wide selection here. So this is gonna be both pupils, and then I'm also gonna make the other one, the bottom part. Then for the top part I'm gonna draw pixels here, and for the bottom over here. So this is gonna be on the bottom of the eye, and this is gonna be on the top. Same thing I need to do over here. So this is gonna be just the top, just the pupil. Then for the eye, for the white stuff, sclera I think it's called, you can take either both of them. For example, you can just color this way and like this, and the other one is white like this. It appears it's also white here, but honestly I don't really like. I like this, how it fully is the same color for the eye. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. For the eyebrow, I'm gonna use this color. It's solid, so I can just simply fill in. And also, Daphne has like this eyelash, so you can also fill in here a little, kind of like this island, which is not visible on the skin because Alex doesn't have the eyelash. And finally, for the rest, I think I can safely just color the eyelids in the same color as the here. And same with bottom eyelids. So the top and bottom eyelids the same, and the walls that prevent the holes in the head be visible. So now we can take and export it. Select to Daphne. And let's add a eye rig with the 2 pixel tall skin. Add it to head and change it to Daphne. It appears that it's a little bit taller. Then I'm just gonna move it down and fix it something like this way. So it appears it's fine. But now we also need to cut eye holes in the skin. So just like that, and then I'm also gonna take and remove the eyebrows and lashes. So let's see, like this. We'll save it, we break an E, which means no eyes. Let's try it, and voila. Let's see how it works like. Yeah, in my opinion, it looks pretty great. So yeah, both of these now have ice rig. Now let's try animating something. So here I have a simple scene, and I put the actors here. It isn't just a simple camera. So the first thing you have to do for both actors is you edit it and enable use target. It's very important because this way it would be possible to basically animate the eyes with some cool stuff, which I will show in a moment. So then do the same thing with Drake. So now, by default, whenever you look, as you can see, the eyes kind of like following the camera. So if I kind of like this. So yeah, you can just leave it like this way and it's gonna be already dynamic with the cameras, with the actor and the eyes. So for example, I can record myself a little bit. Cool stuff. Same way, you can also probably, if you want, you can like stop a couple of pauses and then reset the pause. Yeah. And the other way is, for example, we have Daphne here, and we can change the ice rig's action to idle control. And what it does, it allows you to control the ice with this basically toggle actor control and then switch the default mode to 2, which allows you to basically kind of like move with the control mode. And what's cool about this, so for example, you can record the action just like this. No, record an action like this, and then you can, for example, do something, and then you can record again, and using the left stick you can also record the ice as you want. It seems like it didn't capture sneaking, so that kind of sucks, but I think I can re-record the position plus rotation. So yeah. And in addition to that, you can always add also the pose. That's the wrong one. For example, to Q. So yeah, that's basically about it about the ice. And that's basically it about the ice rig. It's not as cool as a 3.1 ice rig in Blockbuster mode, but at the moment there's no shape keys feature that allows me to implement this. So until then, this is the ice rig we get. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!